So I got a question on one of the videos. Why does it look like everyone is selling a robot nowadays? Why does it seem like everyone is working on their Forex robot, everyone is doing a robot, and everyone is selling a robot? So, by the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss any future videos. Like this video, it's a Friday. Please make my day. Just go ahead and like the video. Just show me some love. At least I'll know that what I'm doing is getting you some entertainment. If you're not learning anything, probably you're just getting some entertainment. If you're looking to download free stuff, free Forex robots, books, indicators, systems, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. If you are also like one of those people who want to know the broker that I use, their link is also in the description box below. So the question that I was asked on one of the videos was definitely, why does it look like everybody is creating robots? What's the attraction with robots? Everyone seems to be making their own robot. Everyone seems to be selling a robot. Okay, so one of the reasons is that statistics, they now tell us that most of the trading is actually moving towards automated trading systems. We are looking at Forex, we're looking at crypto, we are looking at trading stocks, we are looking at like the whole trading industry. Most of the trades today are actually being generated by automated trading systems, also known as algo trading, Forex robots, trading robots, expert advisors, and whatever you choose to call these things, which are basically software. They're just basically software that you give rules, when to buy, when to sell, when to close a trade, how to manage the trade, and stuff like that. So more and more of the industry is actually falling into the hands of these things. So it's only natural that you also probably are tempted to want to also join in and create your own robot. But why like everyone is just selling a robot and stuff like that? Obviously, there is a financial incentive towards that. Just a quick math. You probably see that a person is going to make a lot more money creating and selling robots rather than actually trading their own money. You understand? Instead of taking your own money, putting in the markets, let's say you probably take $1,000 and you put it in your account in the markets, and you probably lose, let's say, $100, or probably lose $200, whatever happens, or you probably make $100 or you make $200. You'll find that it's actually easier to create a Forex robot or a trading system and actually sell it to the market, and you can actually make your money risk free, or let's say relatively risk free, because of course you might get into trouble with some people who might not be happy with your robot and might want their money back. But most of the time you find that that's why we've got so many people complaining about trading robots and stuff like that. Most of the time the guys that are just creating and throwing these robots onto the markets, they just take people's monies and they vanish. I mean, like, you can search for robot reviews on YouTube, on the internet. You'll be shocked that wow, why would people like take other people's money like that? So robot trading is taking off. Algo trading, automated trading is taking off. That's where the industry is going. And some people are fortunately so entrepreneurial, and rather than risk their own money in the market, it's a risk. It's not guaranteed that if you put $1,000 in your account today, you're probably going to make $200 by the next week. But you are guaranteed that if you create a robot today and you convince me and 99 other people to buy that robot, probably at $100 or at $200, you probably make much more money risk free than actually trading your own money. And people seems to like these robots. By the way, people seem to like people are trying to simplify their lives. Let's face it. People are trying to find more ways to make money, and they are trying to make their money the most simple ways in their lives. They do not have time to learn trading. They do not have time to go through trading courses and actually be taught the proper way of trading and things like that. So nowadays people just want to like find something that can make them money, and if somebody promises them that this piece of software is going to make them a millionaire next week, they'll buy it. They forget to ask, but if this thing is going to make me into a millionaire by next month, why are you selling it for $100? Like, those are like some of the basic questions that people need to ask themselves. If this thing is going to make me a millionaire in 30 days, why would somebody sell it for $50? Why would somebody sell it for $200, $500? I think for something that makes people millionaires, I would expect somebody to price it accordingly, probably around $500,000 or $1,000,000 or $100,000 thereabouts. But you find people are charging this for this robot that they promise will turn people into millionaires, like for $50, $20, $200, and you must ask some of these questions, because I truly also believe that if a person really has something that really truly makes money in the forex markets, I do not think the person would want anyone else to know about it. Maybe that's just me. That's just me. By the way, I'm not saying every forex robot out there is a scam or that it doesn't work and stuff like that, because forex robots, they are software. They act on the parameters that they were given. So if they were given the wrong parameters in the wrong place, you cannot expect the robot to start making money in the markets when it's based on flawed logic. When it was given the wrong parameters, when it was given a flawed trading strategy, the robot is just there to follow the instructions. If this happens in the market, sell. If this happens in the market, buy. It's just going to do that. If that idea to buy or to sell is wrong, the robot is going to do the wrong thing. But it has not stopped people from making money. That's why many people have tend to like selling forex robots. Is the most risk-free way of making money in trading, I promise you. But it doesn't mean that all robots are bad. There are some good robots out there, although I'll not say there's a robot yet that I've seen that makes 100% profit. No, there you still have to constantly tweak those robots, because let's face it, market conditions are always changing. The market is a dynamic beast. It's always changing, so you cannot rely on a robot that was made 10 years ago. Market conditions change over time. New players, new conditions, new everything happens every day in the market. So At least if you are the person who developed the robot, you can watch some of the videos on this channel showing you how you can easily turn your strategies into robots. At least if you are the person who created the robot, when you start seeing that the robot is not making as much money as it used to, at least you have got the source code, so you can actually tweak it because you understand your strategy, you understand how it's working, instead of just going ahead and buying these things from other people who probably are not going to be available when you need tweaking, or are probably going to be telling stories when the robot starts taking losses. So I just thought, let me just answer this question that I saw on the channel. The reason why people are more and more people are selling robots is that's where the industry is going, and it also happens to be the most risk way to make money, riskless way of making money when it comes to trading. For many people, you don't even need to bet your own money in the markets. You can simply just convince 100 people to buy your robot at $100 and catching money in your pocket. And when those people are not happy, or when you find that you have exhausted your market, you can always come back with an update. You can claim that you now have an update, so you can always constantly artificially creating a new market. That's how they do it. You can always artificially create a new market from those same customers. You claim, you put in some new fancy updates, and people will buy the robot again as a new robot. Okay, leave your comments in the comment section below. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.